We walked in the front door at DI Labs and we looked around and we said, these guys are the right ones. Within no time, we realized that they're the right partners who push hard, work more than your standard hours, and they develop and test and push the limits of the industry. And that's exactly what we wanted for DyeMansion.
So first of all, seeing this facility and seeing what they will use the machine for and thinking about different applications, that's very interesting and very helpful. And also learning that they'll work with us instead of just taking the machine and working on their own. So we'll be constantly in touch and basically developing together.
Since starting with DyeMansion, it was clear that their business is founded on learning. And from our first meeting, it's been clear that they're all about improving the industry. And for us, it was a clear click. We're here to do the same thing. We're here to learn, we're here to improve, and we're here to change the world in any way we can.
So it was this great symbiotic relationship where we had a need, they had a solution, and we also had a capability that they needed to be able to partner with.
What we really want to do is we want to create the new standard of what's acceptable in the industry. Traditional manufacturing is what's set in stone. It's what everyone knows. And what we like to do is we like to break that. We want to push those limits, push the barriers. DI Labs is the right partner, so we're going to continue to grow and push the limits with them.
I can't think of a project that we've ever taken a challenge on where we surrendered. Every single project, one way or the other. Some have been more painful than others, but every single project we've developed a solution for whatever challenge we were facing.
The whole method behind DI Labs is very similar to that of DyeMansion's. They're not just going to produce parts and sell you parts. They actually want to develop with you and create the best possible solution.
And as we were meeting with the DyeMansion team, it's become really clear that they developed those technologies and were able to come up with a solution because of that perseverance and that unyielding passion to drive towards a solution and not give up when it looked tough or you didn't get the results that you were looking for. And at the end of that meeting, knowing that that's how their company operated, it was a perfect opportunity to form that relationship because we knew that between the two of our companies, we would absolutely come up with a solution and be able to maximize the Powerfuse technology in a really powerful way.